In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Xero with your accountant. Whether you're a small business owner, freelancer, or someone just getting your finances in order, using Xero to collaborate with your accountant can streamline your accounting process, making it more efficient and ensuring that your financial records are always up to date. Let's dive right into the process. First things first, once you've logged into your Xero account, you'll notice your dashboard provides a snapshot of your financial health. This is where you'll start your journey. Look for an option on the dashboard labeled as your organization, or perhaps something quite similar depending on how you've set up your Xero account. This link is key. It'll direct you to the settings and configurations specific to your organization, which is the area you need to access to invite your accountant to your account. The link to your organization might appear as an abbreviation of your company's name or something along those lines. Go ahead and click on it. Now that you're on your organization settings page, you're looking for the settings option. You might find this represented by a gear icon, or it could simply be labeled as settings. This section in Xero is where you can customize and manage various aspects of your account. However, today, we're focusing specifically on user management. Dive into the settings menu and search for the users option. This is where Xero empowers you to manage who has access to your organization. By clicking on users, you'll see a list of current users as well as an option to invite more. To add your accountant, go ahead and click on the Invite a User button. This will bring up a new page where you can input your accountant's details and define their permission levels. Now, this is a crucial step. Xero offers flexible permissions tailored for different roles, ranging from read-only access to full administrative rights. Carefully consider the level of access you want your accountant to have. When you're on the Invite a User page, you'll need to enter the personal details of your accountant. Typically, this includes their name and email address. Take a moment to verify you've got the correct email address, as that's where Xero will send the invitation for them to join your organization. After entering their personal details, it's time to specify your accountant's role within your Xero account. Most accountants will need access to the business and accounting sections. This provides them with the necessary tools and information to work on your finances without giving them unnecessary access to other areas of your business. Finally, once you've entered all the required information and selected the appropriate permissions, click on Send Invite. Xero will then email an invitation to your accountant. They'll need to follow the instructions in the email to accept your invitation and set up access to your Xero organization. And just like that, you've successfully shared your Xero account with your accountant. This allows them to log in, view your financial records, perform audits, and offer you the financial advice and services within the Xero platform. Collaboration and clear communication with your accountant are essential to making the most of this setup. Before we close, here are a few tips for a smooth collaboration. Always keep your financial records up to date in Xero, maintain regular communication with your accountant, especially if you have questions or concerns, and review and understand the permissions you grant users in your Xero account. Thanks for watching. I hope this video makes it easier for you to collaborate with your accountant using Xero. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.